I'm Charlotte Stiles, and this is my 112 term project, open source birdhouse project. So what my application does is that it generates birdhouse designs based on user input into Rhino, which is a computer-aided design software that is pretty hard to learn. So what this allows users to cut something out on a CNC router or a laser cutter without having to know how to use Rhino extensively. And if you don't know what a CNC router is, I'm going to be cutting a birdhouse out later on one, so you'll be able to understand what the end product is looking like. I wrote this in a script called RhinoPython. So what I'm going to do is, inside of Rhino, I'm going to type in the command run Python script, and it pops up right there. I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to have to pick the file in which I wrote my, my code in. Open that up, and this is basically what I just explained to you guys, so we don't need to read that. Alright, so let's say I wanted a simple circle birdhouse. I'm just going to check that. I can check more, and it will generate more, but because I don't have time to put those all together and cut them out, I'm not going to do that. Circle, I'm going to make it small. And material dimensions, this is also a cool feature because a lot of times we're going to be using scrap wood. So like if my wood isn't the full 4x4, I'll be able to just put that in and then it'll sort it for me inside of the dimensions that I need. And the depth is basically the thickness of the wood, and that is important too because all of the pieces are actually slotted together, so I need to know the thickness to be able to create those. The bit width, that is the width of whatever's cutting the material, so I know how to space it out when I'm sorting it again. And there we go. You can see that these parts are nested within each other. It fits within the dimensions of the material that I have. So you'll see how this birdhouse is going to be put together. Alright, let's go see how this cuts out.